We often use should to give advice. You should go home equals I think going home is the right thing for you to do. He shouldn't eat so many sweets equals I think eating a lot of sweets is the wrong thing for him to do. We can use should to talk about the present or the future. We should leave now. We should leave early in the morning. We often use should with I think, or do you think? I think we should leave. Do you think I should write to him? Examples. Do you think I should write to him? He shouldn't eat so many sweets, it's bad for his teeth. You don't look well. You should go home. Should we leave now? Complete the sentence. Right answer is B, should turn it off now. Complete the sentence. Right answer is B, should stop smoking. Complete the sentence. Right answer is C, shouldn't listen to him. Complete the sentence. Right answer is B, should take it to the garage. Complete the sentence. Right answer is C, should go to bed early tonight. Complete the sentence. Right answer is C, should have a haircut.